All right, let's settle this. When gym bros start screaming like they're summoning the titans of gains, is that testosterone actually doing something, or are they just really into their own sound effects? I mean, sure, testosterone is the hormone that makes men grow beards, argue about proper squat form, and pretend they don't tear up at Toy Story 3. But does it actually build muscle, or is it just nature's way of making dudes extra? Let's break it down. No grunting required. Testosterone isn't just floating around in your body for funsies. Nope, it's like your muscles' tyrant overlord screaming at them 24/7, "Dro, repair, stop being weak sauce." Scientifically speaking, testosterone boosts protein synthesis, aka it forces your muscles to suck up nutrients like a vacuum cleaner at a buffet. It also helps with recovery, which is why some dudes can lift like beasts one day and do it all over again the next. Meanwhile, the rest of us need 3 naps just from watching them. Now here's where gym bro science gets wild. Some guys act like testosterone is a cheat code, pump it in, and bam, you're suddenly Thor. But biology doesn't work that way. Sadly, testosterone isn't a solo act. It's more like the hype man in your muscle-building rap crew. You still need Felaresh, Duroin Clarinine, actual exercise, no carrying groceries doesn't count, protein, not just meat-flavored chips, sleep. Your muscles don't grow while you binge Netflix, no matter how intense the plot is. And here's the funny part. Some guys have sky-high testosterone, but still struggle to open pickle jars. Meanwhile, other dudes sneeze and accidentally get ripped. Genetics are weird, man. Okay, let's talk steroids, the I woke up jacked juice. Yeah, synthetic testosterone can turn you into a swole colossus, but side effects include back acne that looks like a topographical map, mood swings worse than a toddler denied candy, your natural testosterone going, well, guess I'm unemployed now, so unless you're cool with your emotions being run by a caffeinated squirrel, maybe stick to deadlifts and eating actual food. And before the guys in the comments start flexing, ladies, you've got testosterone too, just less of it. It helps with muscle tone, energy, and explaining why your grandma carries all the groceries in one trip like a warrior queen. No, lifting won't turn you into She-Hulk unless you want to, which iconic. So does testosterone build muscle? Yes, but it's not magic. You still gotta put in work, eat right, and for the love of gains, stop dropping weights like they owe you money. And remember, if testosterone alone built muscle, teenage boys would all look like Greek titans. Instead, they just really sound like them. Science!